20 used idioms for love with meanings and examples. Watch till the end.
Head over heels in love. Meaning, completely and deeply in love with someone. Example, Sarah is head over heels in love with her fiancé. When John met Emma, he fell head over heels in love with her. Love at first sight. Meaning, falling in love with someone immediately after meeting them. Example, it was love at first sight when they met at the party. He believes in love at first sight and keeps hoping to experience it. The apple of someone's eye. Meaning, a person someone loves and cherishes the most. Example, her little daughter is the apple of her eye. He always calls his wife the apple of his eye. He always calls his wife the apple of his eye. Wear your heart on your sleeve. Meaning, to openly show your emotions or feelings. Example, you could tell he liked her because he wore his heart on his sleeve. She's not afraid to wear her heart on her sleeve when it comes to love. Puppy love. Meaning, a young or innocent love that is not very serious. Example, their relationship in school was just puppy love. Don't worry about your son. It's just puppy love. Lovebirds. Meaning, a couple who are very much in love with each other. Example, the lovebirds couldn't stop holding hands during dinner. Everyone at the office calls them lovebirds because they're inseparable. Match made in heaven. Meaning, a relationship or partnership that is perfect and destined to succeed. Example, they are truly a match made in heaven. Their personalities complement each other so well, it's like a match made in heaven. Break someone's heart. Meaning, to hurt someone emotionally, especially by ending a romantic relationship. Example, she broke his heart when she decided to move away. I never meant to break your heart. It was a tough decision. Fall for someone. Meaning, to begin to feel romantic love for someone. Example, he fell for her the moment she smiled at him. I didn't expect to fall for someone so quickly. Tie the knot. Meaning, to get married. Example, after dating for years, they finally decided to tie the knot. We're planning to tie the knot next summer. We're planning to tie the knot next summer. Blind date. Meaning, a date between two people who have never met before. Example, she was nervous about her first blind date. My friend set me up on a blind date with someone from her office. heart skips a beat. Meaning, feeling excited or nervous because of love or attraction. Example, her heart skipped a beat when he walked into the room. I still feel my heart skip a beat whenever I see him. Love knows no bounds. Meaning, true love is not limited by age, distance, or differences. Example, their relationship proves that love knows no bounds. Even with their cultural differences, they show that love knows no bounds. Love is in the air. Meaning, a romantic atmosphere is present and people feel love around them. Example, it's Valentine's Day and love is in the air. Walking through the park, you could feel that love is in the air. Fall head over heels. Meaning, to deeply fall in love with someone. Example, she fell head over heels for her childhood friend. He's fallen head over heels for his new neighbor. Carry a torch for someone. Meaning, to continue loving someone even when they don't return your love. Example, he still carries a torch for his high school crush. It's hard to move on when you're carrying a torch for someone. It's hard to move on when you're carrying a torch for someone. On the rocks. Meaning, a relationship that is experiencing difficulties. Example, their marriage has been on the rocks for years. After the big argument, their relationship seemed to be on the rocks. Pop the question. Meaning, to propose marriage. Example, he popped the question during their vacation in Paris. Everyone is waiting to see when he'll pop the question. Have a crush on someone. Meaning, to have romantic feelings for someone. Example, she has a crush on her coworker, but hasn't told him yet. I had a crush on my best friend for years. I had a crush on my best friend for years. Crazy about someone. Meaning, to be deeply in love with or extremely fond of someone. Example, he's absolutely crazy about his girlfriend. I'm crazy about you and can't imagine life without you.